Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question, are Google Photos public? So, by default, all photos and videos private until you share them. So, to check it, is you share something, open Google Photos application, then tap at the profile icon at the right top and go to Google Photos settings. Then, at the first line we have sharing line, so tap at this line and go to manage sharing activity. Right here we have shared links, memories and conversation. Firstly, let's open the link, and if you share some links, right here you will see some picture and trash icon near to it. So, to make it private, just remove this link, click at the trash icon and then delete. Then go back, make the same for shared memories, and then we have conversation. You can enter into conversation, check what you share here, and you can leave this conversation if you don't want. Just click at the three dots at the right top, sharing, and near to you will see leave button, tap at this button and then click leave. Also right here you have sharing settings, so maybe you want to change it, but right here as you can see we have only location, so you can disable to share photo location or enable it, it's up to you. Okay, and if you share albums, you cannot find them in the shared links. We need to go back to the main photos feed and then go to collections. Then albums, and then open album. Right here as you can see it asks me to share the link, so I'm not sharing this album. What about the second one? And right here as you can see it changed this line, and now I have one person and I share this album to this person, so I can remove it. Also we have share settings, so you can disable something. To remove it, click at the three dots near to this person, then remove person and remove person. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.